beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a get ready with me for this look right here. It's just a easy brown smoky eye with a nude lip and a little wing, something to make you look really put together, but it's kind of quick and pretty simple for everyone to do. If you're interested in seeing how I get this look, just keep watching. So the first thing I'm starting off with is my primer by NYX. And it's been a minute since I have even touched makeup, to be honest. So when I decided to film this video, I was like, let me just go all out and do all the steps because I really wanted the makeup to last, even though I was going absolutely nowhere. So I went in with the YSL primer, and now I'm just going in with my favorite Anastasia pencil in medium brown. So I'm not gonna lie, being home so much kind of made me like a little less motivated to do my makeup, but then I'd have like some random days that I'd just be like, okay, I need to feel normal, feel like myself, and not be in 100% mommy mode all the time. And with virtual school starting and homeschooling for my 3-year-old, I'm sure I'm gonna have more days like this that I just need to feel a little bit more put together. So the next thing I like to do is go in with this Urban Decay shadow. It's just like a nice soft brown color that really adds some definition to the crease. And on this day, I remember sitting down and I was like, I'm just going to do a simple, like, everyday look. And then I kind of just got into the swing of things, and one thing led to another. And then I put a wing on, which is something I honestly never do. It's not like something that I do every day. So I guess this went from a everyday makeup look to like a soft glam kind of look. But I think the colors work well for fall. So then I'm going in with like an OG classic. If you've been on YouTube forever, then you all know Stila's Kitten, which is like a nice color also for bridal. But I just wanted to use something that was old school, so I brought it out. So, what are you guys doing with your kids for school? Luckily, I live in New Jersey where they let the school districts kind of do their own thing. And by July, we were given the option to either do completely remote schooling for my kindergartner, and then, or you could send them and they would do like the hybrid schedule. So, because I am full time at home, we made the decision to keep my kindergartner home. And, we did a little bit of homeschooling, I guess you could say, or like I facilitated the end of her preschool. So, it's going to be a little bit different, a little challenging, but I think I am up for it, and I just feel like it's going to work best for us, and I'm hopeful. Anyway, back to the makeup. You could see my little man here was entertaining himself. But I just went in with this Color Pop palette, and I'm going in with like a little deeper brown just to deepen up the crease a little bit, a nice warm tone here. So next I'm just going in with a 217, and I am bringing some of that warm tone brown under my bottom lash line, just to add a little bit more definition to the eye. My little man figured out how to tell Alexa what songs to play, and he was so excited because Aladdin was on. So I'm pretty much going to do everything that I did to the upper eyelid. I'm going to do it to the bottom, and I'm going to go from a lighter kind of warm tone brown to the darker. So I'm using all the same colors, and I'm just blending, blending, blending. If you're a mom, I know you can totally relate to like trying to get yourself ready and, having a toddler bouncing around in the back and getting a phone call and all the things. Alexa, play.
What do you want me to play?
The Beast.
Oh.
So the blending continues, and then I'm going to go in with a nude eye pencil because I need all the help I can get. I feel like this really brightens up the eyes and makes you look just a tiny little bit less tired. Then after that, I am going in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I love this foundation. I just feel like it's super natural looking, blends really nice. Yeah, just love it. Don't forget to wet your beauty blender. I can't tell you how many clients I have spoken to who go in with a dry beauty blender and then wonder why their foundation doesn't blend well. You have to have it damp. That's the magic of the sponge. So then I'm just going in with the NYX HD concealer and just brightening up that under eye a little bit and just cleaning it up. And don't forget to bring that sponge down your neck and really make sure that everything is nice and blended so you don't have that mask effect. Again, just going in and blending, blending, blending under that eye. As you can see, my little man was getting really antsy. So after I curled my eyelashes, I just added this Revolution banana powder. I don't know why I can't speak. I like it for drugstore. It's not bad. And then I am going in with my ultimate favorite bronzer, which is Nars Laguna. As you can see, I'm just bronzing up my face. I'm not doing any contouring or anything like that. No harsh lines. I just want everything to be really nice and blended. Then I'm just going in with a little bit of Milani blush on the apples of my cheeks. And surprise, surprise, another little munchkin coming to show me and wait for me to say, oh my gosh, I love it. So next is one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup, which is adding my highlight. And I'm using another OG classic that I absolutely love, which is Champagne Pop by Becca. And again, just trying to brighten up the inner corner of my eyes, so I'm adding Champagne Pop there as well. And I love a nice dewy look, so I'm just going to set all of that with the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Primer Spray. And just to intensify that inner corner highlight, I am going to add the Champagne Pop with a little bit of the primer spray, and it just makes the color look that much brighter. So this is what the skin is looking like after I set it. I really tried to use a variety of products in this video. So I used some stuff from Sephora, but then I also wanted to showcase some of the drugstore brands that I like as well. So if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. So next I'm going to go in with my current favorite mascara, and that is the Milk Kush. I love the volume that it gives without like being super clumpy. After doing a few thorough coats of mascara, then I'm going to go in with this NYX pencil and line my lips. And this is just going to help to keep the lip on. As you age, your lip line actually fades. So I feel like for any of my mamas out there or anyone over 30 or whatever your age is, it's a great little trick just to make your lips look more defined. And then I'm going in with MAC Japanese maple, and then I'm just going to blend those together. So next I'm just going to go over that lip combo with Artist Couture's lip gloss. Who else loves Mac Daddy? Like, I just think his makeup is always ridiculously flawless. So next I'm going in with another fan fave, which is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And if you are a beginner with eyeliner, I really feel like this is a good one to start with because of the brush tip. It really gives you easy and good control. Again, sorry for that angle. I did not realize that I was completely blocking the camera with my hand. But if you like this video, please subscribe, please give it a like. It really will help me and motivate me to get back to making these kind of videos. I love you guys. Thank you again for watching my realistic get ready with me.